What do you see? Okay, are the two triangles touching? No, so we can't mark anything, okay? So what do we have? Well, we got two sides and a square. Okay, what does the square tell you? It tells you it's an angle, okay, and it's probably HL, okay? Usually if you see a square, it's probably HL. Okay, number 3. Are the two triangles touching? Yes, so that means we have to mark the middle, and because there's a square on one side, that tells me that there's a square on this side as well. Okay, and what did I just say? If there's a square, what is it probably? It's probably HL, okay? Which is what? A.
What does HL mean?
Hypotenuse leg.
Oh.
So you have to have a square. You need to have across from the square marked. Boys, please stop talking. Here, and then one other leg. So the square across from the square, and then one other leg. Okay, so if you see a square, it's probably HL, not always, but. Okay, look at number 5. Are they touching?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so what are we gonna mark? The angle here in the middle. Okay, and then so what do we have marked? How many sides do we have marked? How many angles do we have marked?
No sides.
No sides. They're all 3 angles. So we got A. Is that an answer option? No. So what is this going to be? D.
Not enough
information.
Okay, 7. Are the two touching?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what can we mark? The middle angle there. Okay, and so how many angles do we have marked? We got 2 angles marked and 1 side marked. Okay, so and so what is that? Boys, please stop talking. I'm trying to record. I'm gonna move you, and like you're too grown for that. This is the 3rd time I'm asked. Okay, so what is that? What is this one gonna be? But is it A or is it something else? He's not in here. Thank you. Okay, angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Okay, so it's going to be B. Okay, number 9. Are the two triangles touching?
Yeah.
Yes, so what can we mark? An angle or a side? The side here in the middle. Okay, and we either got angle, angle, side, or side, angle, angle. Angle, angle, side, or side, angle, angle. Which one is that going to be? It's going to be C, angle, angle, side. 11, are the two triangles touching? Yes, so we have to mark what?
Side.
The side in the middle. Okay, and so that's going to be side, side, side. Okay, 13. I want you to find the missing third side. What is the formula for the Pythagorean theorem?
A plus A squared plus B squared.
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. How do you know which one is C?
The longest.
The longest or
Hypotenuse.
the hypotenuse, so the one that's across from the square, okay? So which one of these is the C?
X.
The X. Okay, so it's really going to look like 3 squared plus 4 squared. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals X squared. What is 3 squared plus 4 squared? 25? Okay, so we get 25 equals X squared. Then what needs to happen?
Square root.
Square root both sides. All right, and what is that going to give you? 5. Okay, 15. Which one is missing? A, B, or C?
C.
It is C. So we're going to say A squared plus B squared. Okay, so what is 5 squared plus 12 squared? 169. So we're at 169 equals C squared.
Square root.
Square root both sides. And it's going to be 13. Okay, 17. We're gonna say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Which one is your c?
15.
The 15. So it's gonna be 9 squared plus 12 squared. 9 squared plus 12 squared. What are you gonna get for that? 225. And then we do the 15 squared. What is 15 squared? Is also 225. Okay, so do those two equal each other?
Yes.
Yes, so this is a yes. Okay, 19. We're gonna say 8 squared plus 12 squared. What is 8 squared plus 12 squared?
208.
208.
Yeah.
Okay, 15 squared. 225. Okay, so those two equal each other?
No.
No, so then my answer is gonna be no. Okay, 21. We need to order these from shortest to longest. Which one is the shortest?
33.
33. So if we would cover that up, what two letters are left? ED. So take a second and look. Which one does not start with ED and then cross that off? Okay? So what could you cross off? D and B. Okay? And then the next shortest one after 33 is E. So I have a DC should come in the second spot, DC. So it's got to be A, okay?
Okay, and the second one, why'd you put N instead of a comma? You, like number A says N.
Because if you look at this, like there are two that are the same, so like I can't say definitively what order is what. 23, it says state if these three can measure the sides of a triangle. Okay, so it's gonna look like greater than 8, greater than 7, greater than 9. Bless you. For the 8, it's gonna be 7 plus 9. For the 7, it's gonna be 8 plus 9. And for the 9, it's gonna be 7 plus 9, 8. Okay, is 7 plus 9 gonna be bigger than 8?
Yes.
Yes. 8 plus 9, is that gonna be bigger than 7?
Yes.
Yes. And 7 plus 8, is that bigger than 9?
Yes.
Yes. So this is gonna be a yes. Um, 25. We're gonna say greater than 6, greater than 10, greater than x. Greater than 6, greater than 10, greater than x. What is the easiest of the three to do?
The last.
The bottom one, okay? We know there's gonna be 6 plus 10, which is what? 16. So look at your answer options. What could you eliminate? We know that one of them has to have a 16. Yeah, I can eliminate these two, okay? And so from here, it's a matter of, well, is it 4 or is it 5, okay? So for the 6, I'm gonna get x plus 10, and for the other one, I'm gonna get x plus 6. Which one of these two has the smaller number on the left side? Equation 1 or equation 2?
Question 2.
Equation 2. So 6 plus what gives me 10?
4.
4. So it's gotta be C. Okay, 27. It says MN. Find the other one. MN. The parallel segment. DB or BD. Okay. Uh, 29. If SU is 14, what is GH?
It's
Yeah, it's gonna be 7, which is A. Okay, and then 31. Okay, we're gonna say 2 times my small, so 2x minus 10 equals the big one, so 2x minus 4. We got one more left after this one. Okay, so I'm gonna get 4x minus 20 equals 2x minus 4. Okay, we're gonna move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. Okay? So I'm gonna say minus 2x plus 20 into plus 20. Okay, I can cross out the 20s and the 2's. I'm gonna get 2x equals 16. Divide by 2, and it would equal 8. We got one more. Okay, 33, you're gonna still set up the same way. So 2 times the small, so x plus 19 equals my big, x plus 29. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2x. What is 2 times 19, somebody? 8, 48? No, 38.
38.
38. Thank you. Okay, and then we're gonna move our letters to the left, numbers to the right. Who needs moved? Who needs moved? The x. Who else needs moved? The 38. Okay, so our 38s can cross out, and so we get 1x. What is 29 minus 38? Is it 9? No. 29
Negative
minus
9.
38. Is it 9? Negative 9?
9.
Oh, and then divide by. So I get x equals negative 9. Is that an answer option?
No.
Okay, what's the problem then?
You're supposed to divide by negative 1.
No, I should have divided by positive 1. What's the problem? Because that's not an option.
I think you subtracted it all. Did you?
What's the problem?
Yeah, so plug it in.
Boom, there we go. We're supposed to plug it in. Okay? So that's why it's not an answer option, because we're not finished. Okay? Remember, the first one's always gonna be easy. The second one, solve for x. The third one, plug it back in. Okay? However, if you're taking your test, what should you do? If you can't figure it out, what do? Raise your hand. Okay? For the love of God, just ask me. Okay? So we're gonna plug in negative 9 into what?
The middle one.
Into the middle one. So it's really gonna be negative 9 plus 19.
10.
Is it 10? I don't know, I was thinking 11. Is it 10?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna stop here for today. So 1 through 34 should be complete on your paper, okay?